Hey guys, hey guys, this is Space Student. Welcome back to another video. Today is our third day in DC, and I guess we're gonna spend the whole day in the conference. So I'm excited about this. We're currently eating breakfast, and I'll see you guys. So we are headed to the first general opening session. So basically we just assigned some different events and workshops that we have to go to. We still have yet to find everyone place for all the times, but I'll explain it to you a little bit later. So see you at the opening session.
I started doing this, and it was in the summer at Kansas State Conference, and all of a sudden this one student told me flat out, he goes, my favorite smell, honestly, because he's a football player, he goes, I really love the smell of AstroTurf. And I'm like, okay. He then said, he goes, I put some AstroTurf. He goes, I don't know if this is creepy or weird or whatever. He's like, I literally put AstroTurf in a plastic bag. So when I'm having a weird day or a bad day, I literally smell it. I'm like, dude, you gotta do what you gotta do. Like, maybe you gotta do, right? And then from there, here's the cool part. Because he was willing to admit this is what he does. But the cool part was, is a couple of his friends actually took a black baggie and they got their favorite smells. One was like just, like they love grass. The smell of fresh cut lawn. They put some grass in a baggie. Like this, hey, whatever works, right? My friend Donna here, she loves herb essence. Like she wants me to have the essential oils all the time, right? Which it does work. It's these simple things. And what do you see? Number 5 is this one. Who are your humans? Who are the 5 people when you are feeling lonely? And go crazy. Right?
Alright, so the first session is over, and we have a small break before I have to go to, where we all have to go to our first workshop. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I will see you at the first workshop. Okay guys, so we're in the first session. It is Find Your Grind.
My dad put them on. What's up?
Okay, so I guess the session is gonna start soon, so I'll see you after the session. Alright, so the first session was quite boring. I hope this one turns out better. This one is Living Above the Line, the Power of Student Choice. It's the second session. The first session kind of talked about who you want to be instead of what you want to be. Talked about how we should involve happiness with our career so that we wouldn't have like the most boring life in the world. Something like that. So I'm not sure what this one is about, but it seems really interesting. I guess it might be about student choice. I'm not sure, but I'll get back to you once I get more information.
Say yes? Yes. And if you're interested, hey, get your advisors here this afternoon, because then they can call me and I can get into your school and start telling the truth to the people who need it. Because half of you are all positive, you're dancing and whatever, you're fine. Good God. I wish you were in charge of the U.S. Senate. Can we just say that? Good Lord. The adults are not doing well. Is that fair? Yeah. All right, here we go. This has nothing to do with lead. I just thought it'd be cool to show you my grandson. This guy's name is Sam. My deal, I was nuts for about 23 years in the classroom, and I got healthy for about 17. It was all about me before. I was screaming at tardy kids. I was that. How many have a teacher you don't even want to go by their room? Because you get yelled at for your pants or whatever. That was me. Oh, some of you like handouts. They're on the app. If you like handouts, if you want to prove you went to this session, the handouts are on the app. So far, so good? Say yeah. Yeah. Let's go here. Where's my door slammers? Come on. If you slam the door, that's ineffective. How many lost the door?
I don't even have to worry.
Hey, we're all top 20s. You're not going to be a top 20 just because you went to lead. You're going to have moments where you're broken and moments where you're very healthy. This is the way life goes. Somebody should have told you this a long time ago. School tends to break people.
Alright, so our our second session ended and lunch ended, and I'm in our third session. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. It's called Beg, Borrow, and Steal. The second session was really good. Really good. I'll talk to you about it later because the session is starting. Peace. Okay, so I am entering the next room right here. The butterfly effect room. I'm very excited. I will get back to you. Alright, so basically what's happening is that we just got some school spirit ideas and stuff, and beg, borrow, and steal. That was fun. And now I'm not sure what butterfly effect is, but I do hope that it's helpful. All the rest of the sessions except the first one was pretty helpful to me. My favorite one so far was the second session, but I will get back to you after this one. Peace.
Obviamente que no, ¿qué pensar? ¿Te quieres quedar de pie? Mira para acá. Dios mío, Mariana. La flag, la luna.
All right, tap out, tap out. All right, you guys are in a jousting match. What? Jousting? Where you're in You got it? All right, go ahead. All right, tap out.
Okay, so this session was really fun. We did some games and stuff. It was hilarious. The most hilarious one was reenacting some different scenes and whatnot. So now we're getting butterflies, and we're supposed to pass them to someone who does an act of kindness. And yeah, see you later. All right, guys. So we're headed to Chick-fil-A for dinner. Yeah, that's the crew just walking. Anyway, so we're headed to Chick-fil-A for dinner. Then we're gonna go to the Georgetown Bridge. I'm excited. Are you excited? I hope you are, because we are going to be forced to sing the national anthem across the bridge, and I don't know the freaking lyrics. So, wish me luck, because if I don't do well, we'll have to start over, and it's a long bridge. Peace. Alright, so we're in Chick-fil-A with everyone.
I think you're 15. It says you're 15. I'm not even joking right now. Snapchat vibes.
Yeah, that's everyone not paying attention. That's great. Anyway, so we're just gonna eat some dinner, and then we're gonna head to the Georgetown Bridge for my worst fear. Wish me luck, please. Alright, guys, I know it's super dark, but we have the whole crew in the back here and here. Like, I know you can hardly see anybody. Wait.
Okay, hold up.
Hold up. Now we can. Alright, right here. Oh, well.
You're not allowed to have
Okay. I know. Anyway, guys, so I know. Okay, now you can see me. So, anyway, so we're headed to the Georgetown Bridge. The Francis Scott Key Bridge. We're singing the national anthem, and I'm excited to see you there.
Knows the words, so it's nice.
Nope. Do you know the words?
Who, me?
Yes.
No.
All right, guys. See you there. So we're walking through the rain, to the escape room. Yes. We're walking through the rain to the escape room. See you there. Hey guys, so we're at the escape room. As you can see, hey guys. So we have a little bit of time before we get in. We have our own lockers and stuff, and I noticed it's half bar, half escape room. So yeah, I will not record the escape room so I don't spoil it for anybody, but I will tell you about the experience afterwards. So wish me luck, and I will see you afterwards. Alright, so we're about to start the escape room. Wish me luck. We were just playing apples to apples. Pretty funny. But yeah, wish us luck, guys. Unfortunately, we did not escape. I am very sad. But we did have fun. Oh heck. Oh no, okay. Better. Anyway, so we didn't escape. That's fine. We had fun, worked together as a team, and all that jazz. So, we're going to a cupcake place. I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we stopped at Starbucks and we got some drinks and stuff. We're headed back to the hotel to play some fun games, and the national anthem was pretty fun, crossing this bridge. Escape room was fun. I think this was a really nice last day in DC, and I think... Well, it is. It's the last night. It's the last full day in DC. And I really enjoyed this trip, and I really hope that I can have another opportunity to travel with my friends again, because honestly, it has been awesome, and I will see you back at the hotel. So we're having a pajama party. Why? I mean, if you want to be featured, do you want to?
Some featured. I'm sorry.
Is it past your bedtime?
Anyway, so we're having a pajama.
Evie, I think it's past your bedtime.
I'm okay.
You're okay, that's great.
I'm okay. And I am not tired. I can tell you that much.
Alright.
I go to bed at like 10.
So we're having a pajama party, and I'm not gonna film anyone because I'm kind. Anyway, so we're having a pretty great time. We're gonna play headbands. This is gonna be cool. I'm just sort of gonna keep it like a personal moment, so I'm not gonna record it if that's alright with you. And I will see you back in our room. So guys, we had a fun day today. It was really fun playing headbands with Miss Mullikin. But anyway, so I'm gonna call it a night. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like at the bottom, subscribe, turn notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Space out.